G'day everyone. I've got here one of the Ubiquiti Unifi wireless access points. It's the ACLR model, which means it supports the 802.11 AC protocol and gives you speeds of up to 1,317 megabits per second using dual radios across the 5 GHz, 2.4 GHz bands. So obviously you've got to have a supported device that is also compatible with 802.11 AC to get that kind of speed. The LR stands for long range, which means it's got a range of up to 183 meters, which is also pretty crazy. The standard range on the Unifi access points is only around 130 meters, so it is a lot bigger. Now, this is a power over Ethernet device. So you need to have either a power over Ethernet capable switch or a power over Ethernet injector so that you can get power to it. So let's go ahead, open it up and have a look at what's inside. Inside our box, we have right on top a little Unifi advertising brochure, packaged quite nicely in here. And there is our access point. It's actually quite light. I'm surprised at how light it is. Underneath that, we have wall mounting plate, a quick start guide, and we also have, which is useful, a power over Ethernet injector and some mounting screws. And that is it. So that is our access point. So on the back, we've got this little plate here, which is removable. So you see this bit here. Basically, you want to pull that up, and that will allow you to then move it across over the top of this little piece and undo that. And that's what you're going to be using to mount it to the wall. On the back here then, we have just our general device information, manufacturer number, power, etc. Having a look in this little section down here, that we've got just a single Ethernet port there, and that's it. So it's a gigabit Ethernet. So technically you can't get more than 1,000 megabits per second anyway, but it's still capable of those speeds between devices, I guess. So that's where you plug in your Ethernet port, just in there. And again, you want to make sure you've got it running through a power over Ethernet injector or from a switch that's power over Ethernet capable. So it requires 0.5 amps or half an amp at 24 volts. Once you mount this plate to the wall, you then have the mounting plate from the access point screwed onto here. And then all you're going to do is come along and lock it on. Now, the injector is quite a simple little device. Plug the power in on one side, easy. Then on the other, we've got a LAN port and a power over Ethernet port. So LAN is where you plug in to go to your switch or your router or whatever you're connecting this to. And then power over Ethernet is your out, basically. So that runs out to your access point and it'll have power on it. This power over Ethernet injector does actually have a little mounting plate on the back of it as well by the looks. So 2 screws there, and you can attach that to a wall if you need to, and then screw that in. So that's great if you actually need to use one of these. That's everything that's in the box with the Ubiquiti Unifi AP-AC-LR. I really like the fact that Ubiquiti have gone out of their way with the packaging for their Unifi devices to make them almost completely biodegradable. So the outer packaging is cardboard, then the main inner packaging is also cardboard, and even everything that holds it in place inside is cardboard. It's really just a couple of items of plastic around things like the power of Ethernet injector and the mounting plate, and one little piece of foam. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more like this from me.